Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Black Eyed, not peas because that's a music group, Black Eyed Beans Bhajia. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, so you saw how to make this Black Eyed Beans Bhajia recipe. So I'm gonna do the tasting. I've got some chutney beside it. I actually really love this recipe, personally speaking. So I'm dipping it into the chutney. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! This bhajia must be eaten with this coconut chutney. It is that good. It is really crunchy from the outside, but immensely fluffy in the middle. So we made a similar variation with dal. So you can watch our dal bhajia recipe over here, our coconut chutney recipe over here, and you can view our East African recipe dishes over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.